We are still a long way away from Samsung's Galaxy S22 series, but we already have a couple of reports from unnamed inside source. They both claim to reveal details on the display of the upcoming flagship family. According to one of the leaks, the Galaxy S22 will feature a 6.6-inch display, the S22 Plus will use a 6.5-inch panel, and the Ultra will retain the 6.8-inch screen. The numbers suggested vanilla S22 and the Plus size variants will have smaller screen than their 20s counterparts. Another bit where the reports align is that once again only the Ultra model will offer the LTPO OLED screen. According to a new rumor circulating, Samsung will only bring a glass back to its Galaxy S22 Ultra while the S22 Plus and vanilla S22 will carry plastic rears. The all-new leak also suggests Samsung will employ an all-new back processing design for the S22 and S22 Plus, which is said to look and feel as premium as glass. Samsung is also rumored to bring the new Exynos chipset with AMD GPU alongside a Qualcomm Snapdragon version for some market. The Galaxy S22 series might be Samsung's first to adopt sensor shift camera technology, similar to the iPhone 12 Pro Max. This technology stabilizes the camera sensor inside of the lens, which leads to improved image quality and better stabilization. In addition to this, the Galaxy S22 might be the company's first flagship series to feature cameras that were developed with the help of Japan. Other reports suggested that the Galaxy S22 series would not be equipped with a TOF sensor, as Samsung believes that this technology does not have enough use cases yet. Finally, the Galaxy S22 lineup was initially rumored to debut with in-display camera technology, but the other recent reports suggested that this technology might not yet to be ready for this. Samsung's upcoming flagship series is expected to be released with an Exynos chipset in some markets and a solution provided by Qualcomm in others. This chipset is built by Samsung on a 5nm process and it's said to be fit for both smartphones and laptops. As good as the Galaxy S21, there's definitely room for improvement. This is especially true because the Galaxy S22 will be compete with iPhone 13 by the time Samsung release this device, and with Samsung reportedly planning to skip the Galaxy Note 21 release this year, the pressure will be on the Galaxy S21 to deliver another premium flagship experience. Here's all the early rumors for the Samsung Galaxy S22 and what we want to see from this series.